Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you rainy day art and craft activity inspired by the book Here Comes the Rain, which you can do with your kid or preschooler at home. So let's get started. Okay guys, so you need some basic materials like it's a great way of doing some rain activity with the basic stuff you have at home. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this rainy day art and craft activity. Do try this with your child. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.